Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this short Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to fix dates that won't sort properly. The problem: sometimes when you try to sort dates, Excel shows A to Z instead of oldest to newest. That's because Excel is treating the dates as text values. You can tell because text aligns to the left of a cell, while real dates align to the right. This often happens when dates are formatted inconsistently, like UK format, day/month/year, versus US format, month/day/year. Even if a date looks correct, Excel may not recognize it as a real date. Fixing the dates: select the column with the problem dates. Go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. In Step 1 of the wizard, leave Delimited selected and click Next. In Step 2, leave everything unchecked and click Next. In Step 3, under Column Data Format, select Date. In the drop-down, pick the format that matches the incorrectly recognized dates. For example, if some US formatted dates are in your UK workbook, choose MDY, month, day, year. Click Finish. Now all dates should align to the right, meaning Excel recognizes them as real dates. Sorting the dates: right-click any of the cells and choose Sort, oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Excel will now sort correctly. Optional: standardize the date format. Select all your dates. Press Ctrl+1 to open Format cells. Choose a date format from the list. Click OK to apply a consistent format across all dates. And that's it. Now your dates will sort correctly, no matter the original format. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.